Node's Backend Development Guide Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume all Node's guides are the same, or that a free tutorial is enough. The surprising truth is that investing in a high-quality guide can save you months of trial and error, especially if you're building scalable backend systems. Entry-level online courses or ebooks often cost between and. These cover basics like setting up a Node's environment, working with expresses, and simple API creation. Are perfect for beginners but may lack real-world project examples or advanced optimization tips. Intermediate guides, priced, include full-stack examples, database integration, authentication, and deployment strategies. You learn to connect nodes to MongoDB or PostgreSQL, implement RESTful APIs, and handle asynchronous operations efficiently. These guides often include code walkthroughs and project-based exercises, which greatly enhance understanding. Advanced or professional Nodes courses go beyond coding. They teach architecture design, performance tuning, microservices, and real-world scalability solutions. Many include mentorship or community access, which accelerates learning and provides practical feedback on your projects. Most people get this wrong by looking only at price. The real value comes from structured learning, hands-on projects, and mentorship. Higher-priced guide may seem expensive upfront, but it often pays off by saving time, avoiding mistakes, and accelerating your backend development skills. In conclusion, Node's Backend Development Guide pricing reflects depth, support, and real-world applicability. Choosing the right guide ensures you build robust, efficient backend systems and maximize your investment in learning.